Hi, this is Yash Agarwal, and I am really very excited to welcome you to this channel. So, first of all, I will like to give a little intro about myself. So, I am having 13 plus years of experience working in different industries from software and website company to managing a fashion based e commerce company to working with a packaging based manufacturing company, and lastly working with an agri based startups as a chief growth officer. So during my this 13 years of career, the main challenge that I have identified what most business owners face is getting enough number of qualified leads for their business or generating enough number of sales for their business. As we can say that leads or sales is the lifeblood of any business, and this is the biggest reason why most businesses fail. So, through my experience of 13 years on this channel, I am going to share various content ideas that will be helping entrepreneurs and business owners like you to build, grow, and scale your business online. So, I am going to come up with a new video every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. So, kindly consider subscribing and hit the bell icon so that you can be the first one to get notified. Also, thank you once again and hope to see you soon.